Acrobat AI, Acrobat AI Assistant in three ways. Number one, you can use your desktop, which is the native installation. You can use your Adobe Acrobat, the one that you installed on your computer, or you can also use the mobile app. If you have your phone with you, you can easily use AI Assistant on that, enabling you to be very mobile and to analyze files within your reach, within your phone or a tablet. And you can also use what we call the web browser version, that you just need an internet browser. You can easily log in and then you can use AI Assistant on that end. So it's very accessible on every device right now. Okay, so that is the accessibility of using Acrobat right now: desktop, mobile app, and even web browser. So how can we access? How can we know that our that the one that we're using right now has enabled AI Assistant? Three things. I will give you a demonstration on this. Let's switch on my desktop right now, so you can check. So right now I'm on my desktop. I'm just going to switch on my view so you can make me look small on my screen. You can easily check right now. If you go to Acrobat and then you click on the view menu, we are now on the native installation of Acrobat. If this is disabled, you can easily enable it by clicking on the disable or enable. It's a toggle switch. So right now this is enabled. You can easily click enable new Acrobat or disable new Acrobat. If I click on that, I have to restart Acrobat, so I'm not going to do that. But there is a switch for you to get the Acrobat AI Assistant or the new Acrobat experience. Okay, so let's jump into our first example, which is this will enable me to convert a specific document on which I can analyze and use Acrobat AI Assistant. Right now, if I go to the tools itself, let's just maximize this. Let's click on See All Tools. Let's click on See All Tools. And the great thing is, if I click See All Tools, you can easily check that we have now the capability of AI Assistant. And actually, there's two of them, which is AI Assistant and Generative Summary. I'm going to provide you a demonstration on that. But right now, I can easily convert something into a PDF. For example, if I click on Create and create a PDF here, I can just drag and drop any document that I have. For example, I have this PowerPoint file. Let's click on this. I'm just going to select the file rather than drag and dropping it. So let's use this and let's go to desktop, click on that, or open it natively on Acrobat. So this one is a file that you can easily open, and you can verify if your AI Assistant is active. If you click here, we have this button, which is the colorful button for AI Assistant. If you click here, it will automatically analyze the document itself, and it will try to understand the context of the document that we are opening right now. It may take some time. It depends on how many pages that you have on your document. Right now, the actual limit is around 100 pages. As we see here, yeah, I think it's 600 pages. Yeah. So as you would see here, by using Acrobat AI Assistant, it will provide you an overview, and it gives you three things. It enables you to understand, analyze, and also generate content based from the PDF itself. And what's very helpful about AI Assistant is that it gives you three things that gives you suggestions. For example, based from the document itself, it will give you this one. What challenges did Adobe face in content creation? It provides you three things that will generate your curiosity on how can I see or how can I talk with document itself. For example, I can click on any of suggestions here. For example, let's click on what features of generative AI are integrated into Adobe's Creative Cloud. So it will search the whole document. This is how you can talk with the PDF, talk with your document. And as you would see here, it gives me the actual information that I need. For example, you can easily copy this into a Word file, into a any presentation easily, that you can just click on copy. And if you click on the actual number, it will jump into the actual source. As you would see on the PDF, it has pinpoint the exact location from the answer of the query or the prompt that we have, as you would see here. And then again, it will offer you much more suggestions on how it sees the actual document. So that's one thing. You can easily also type in the prompt that you want. For example, what's the actual name of this document? The document is what is Adobe Gen Studio for performance marketing? It's a great tool, by the way. You can easily ask the document by typing the prompt that you want. So that's one thing, that you can easily analyze something for your work. As you would see here, it will jump into the actual location. It empowers marketing teams to create on-brand multi-channel contents for ads, emails, and campaigns. So that's how easy it is for you to get information based from a document that you have right now. So what if, let's jump into another example. This one is just for marketing professionals, for people who wants to create slides, presentations. You can easily do that and analyze the document. If you want, I'm going to place another scenario on this environment, on which, let's pretend I'm a student and I want to facilitate more than just analyzing the document. If I want to read something, if I want to ask the actual document what types of questions or specific answers, you can easily do so.